Okay guys, so this is my brand new, well, new to me, Scion FRS. Just show you guys a walk around of the car. Thing's an animal. It's a 4-cylinder, I think a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a boxer engine. The first mod that I ever did on this car was the window tint. As you can see, I got the limo tint. You can't see anything inside the car. And I got the top strip. The second mod that I did on this car was a muffler delete. And because the Scion FRS has clip-on tips, they're not like real tips, they're just clip-ons. I decided to go with two I think jet fuel tips. And at first they were gonna get me to do 4-inch tips, but I saw these and I thought that these fit my car perfectly. Like they sit flush and it just looks mean. Like I've never seen another FRS with tips this size, so just kind of stand out. Let me put you here. So for a Scion FRS, in my opinion, the first mod that you should do, or a cheap first mod that you should do, is definitely a muffler delete. It just sounds so much nicer. If you don't have money for an aftermarket exhaust system, then I feel like you should really do a muffler delete. And what I like about it is that it doesn't sound like a 4-cylinder. It doesn't sound like a Civic, any of that. Like it has its own distinct, nice, like really aggressive sound, and I just love it. If there's anyone in the FRS community or Toyota H6 or the BRZ community that wants to reach out, feel free. Hit me up on my social media. Hit me up on my Snapchat, on my Twitter. Let me know some of the mods that you like that I should do on my car, or some of the fitment on my car, my tires, because I really don't know anything about fitment, and I really don't want to go wide body right now. I want to enjoy my car for what it is right now. So if you guys know of any aftermarket tires that are the best for FRSs or the fitment, just let me know. Please hit me up. If there's any companies that want to sponsor me, that will not sponsor me, but like send me out some products so I could review them or I could put them on my car, just hit me up. I'm always open to seeing new things or putting new things on my car and reviewing new things. And I know that my channel isn't too big right now, or isn't big at all, but the only way from here is up. I'm only gonna keep getting bigger, and it's good to start a relationship, you know, now, and then have a really good relationship later on. And also, my car is gonna be seen, like I'm gonna be driving it, and your guys' products is gonna be on my car. So I'm super excited. Like I can't wait to make this car how I want to make it. Like it's just gonna be perfect. Like so many things are lining up for me. Thank you guys for watching, and yo, what up guys? Let's get this vlog started. We're going to wash my car and then we're gonna go take pictures. See you guys there.
Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight, fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight.
Her face ain't never matching her persona, yeah. I mix Xanax with the strongest marijuana, yeah. You want problems, I roll with them problem solvers, yeah. I got 6 shots in this gun, it's a revolver, yeah. Down my hair on that bullshit like Rodman.